Hey guys, what's up? It's Jonathan with myIncomeStreams.biz. It's been a while since I've done a video. Kind of starting to feel like I'm slacking a little bit here, but had quite a bit going on, a lot of stuff to do, and uh, seems like I've always been running pretty close on deadlines when it comes to getting stuff done. And one of the things I've been trying to successfully implement in my life is a practice of the 5 second rule, which, put very simply, just means that when you have a task or something that needs to be done and you think about it at that moment, everything in your body is going to fight you and say, no, I don't want to do that. You'll think of a million the reasons why, of other things you can be doing, or excuses to not have to do that thing that you just thought about doing that you have to do. So before that starts to really fully kick in, you got about 5 seconds where you need to get up and move and do some action step towards doing that task, or everything in your body will fight you on it and resist you. So, at any point, that being said, yep, a lot of deadline stuff to do. Been trying to fight it and make sure I get them all done on time. So, that's kept me busy, and there you go. That's my excuse for not doing a video here for quite a while. But let's get down to it. So, one thing I've been seeing a lot of lately is people that join businesses and they get going, and then they just don't do anything and they just coast. And then I see comments like, why isn't anyone going to my website? Um, why isn't my business doing anything or taking off? I don't see anything happening. I thought all I had to do was buy this program and get all the stuff and I'd have everything I need, and nothing's happening. And it's shocking to me that people would actually think that a business actually works that way, that you can just happily spend your money on some business and then just sit and do nothing, and in some beautiful magical world you wake up and you're a millionaire. It's a nice dream, it's a nice fantasy, but it's definitely not reality. So let's just cut to the chase and talk about what you need. Let's assume that you already have a business that you like. You've got all the tools that you need. You've got everything in place. But you don't have anybody looking at your business. You don't have anybody going and checking out what you're doing and examining your business. And you're wondering, what is that missing piece? Well, that missing piece is traffic. Without traffic, you have absolutely nothing. It's like setting a lemonade stand out on the curb and not bothering to put a sign out or tell anybody about your lemonade stand. And you've got it out in some obscure area. And then you're wondering even more why no one's showing up to your lemonade stand to buy lemonade from you. Well, nobody knows about it. You haven't told anybody. You haven't even bothered to put up signs at some of the other intersections. You didn't put an ad in the newspaper. You didn't do squat to get any traffic over to your lemonade stand. Well, it's the same thing with an online business. You can't just pay your money, get a business, and sit on it and expect something to happen. It doesn't work that way. You've got to get traffic. And getting traffic is an art. It's something, there are some basic technical skills, not many though. It's some simple steps. The source for your traffic is just about everything. And it's slightly more important, but not, it's about on the same level as the timing of your traffic. There's so many different things to learn that will make you successful at getting traffic to your business. And this is a skill you have to learn if you're going to succeed. Um, that being said, this is something that not all businesses really teach when you join them. They don't. They assume that you come with those resources and those skills already, and then they turn you loose, and then you wonder why you fail. And well, that's not your fault. And a lot of these businesses shouldn't be just throwing you to the wolves like that. So, but anyway, traffic, absolutely essential. You've got to have it, and you've got to know how to use it. Um, so that being said, that concludes this short video here. Down in the bottom right down there. There's a subscribe button. If you would hit that button for me, please, I would appreciate it. And share this with anybody you think could benefit from it. And also down in the description, just right straight down here, go ahead and look through the description and click on the link that's down below, and take a look at that link. And I want you to really get a good look at what business training looks like and what an online business training should be and what it should look like. And there's also some training there on traffic, along with a good source, the most reliable source of traffic, and how to use it. Detailed instructions on how to use it. So everything you would need to run an online business successfully is in that link. Check it out, and I appreciate you watching. Take care.